Hi, welcome to Crystal's Kitchen. I'm Crystal and welcome to my kitchen. Who likes tea parties?
We do! And today we're going to show you how to make afternoon tea sandwiches.
Yes, we are. And Grim, my husband here, is going to show us 3 classic afternoon tea sandwiches. So, if you haven't already, click that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. You don't want to miss out. We've got some awesome episodes on its way. All the ingredients are listed down below in the description. Let's get started.
So our first afternoon tea sandwich is...
the egg salad sandwich.
All right. So at this point, you would have had hard-boiled eggs ready to go. And what we've done here is we've taken 3 of them and mashed them up right here, okay? And we've also taken the 4th egg and chopped it up. And you'll see how I've chopped it up into smaller pieces because I like chunky egg salad sandwiches. So
it's delicious.
Yeah.
All right, so now we're gonna mix it all together.
So we're gonna take our mashed eggs. There we are. We're going to take our chopped egg. We're going to take our 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. There we are. Get all that in there. We have our 1/2 teaspoon of mustard. And 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. And we're gonna just mix all that together, just like so. Excellent, look at that. Now the paprika is giving it some nice color there, you'll see. And it's gonna be a nice chunky egg salad.
All right, moving on, we're going to assemble our sandwiches. But first, we're gonna need the bread. So we have the Tramezzini, I hope I'm saying that right, Tramezzini bread, which is the thin bread slices. If you don't have this bread, that's okay. You can use regular sliced bread and remove the crust.
Excellent. All right, so you can see here we're going to butter both sides of our bread. We've got one buttered already, so I'm just going to quickly butter the other side, and that'll make it real nice on both sides of the sandwich. And then we're going to take a nice healthy portion of the egg salad. Here we are. And you'll see here, I'm going to put it right off to the sides. And once we've got our nice even layer done, we're going to do a nice cut. All right, so we have our nice even layer of egg salad. We're going to place the other 1/2 of the sandwich bread on top, like so. And we are going to cut our tea sandwiches. Now, this is a really important part. What you're going to do is you're going to go back and forth like this and not squish the bread, but kind of saw through the sandwich like that. I'll do one more to show you. Here we are. Excellent. And if you see here, we've got a nice, beautiful egg salad sandwich.
All right, moving on, but first, if you like tea parties and tea sandwiches like we do, why don't you hit that like button down below? Let us know that you do as well.
So our second tea sandwich is...
the salmon. Yay! So why don't we get our ingredients mixed up?
Okay, so we're gonna put our 1/4 cup of cream cheese, a little bit softened, into our mixing bowl here. There we are. Excellent. And we're gonna take our 1/2 teaspoon of mayo, sorry, tablespoon, go, and our 1 garlic clove chopped and pressed. Excellent. And we're just gonna mix all those ingredients together, like so.
All right, so now we've used our spread. We spread it on one side of our bread already, and we're gonna take the rest and we're gonna simply take it. It smells so good. You smell the garlic in there, and we're just gonna place it right to the edge. This is your nice spread to have on both sides, where then we're gonna place the salmon. So make sure you get it all around. Right, look at that. It looks amazing. Okay. All right, and Graham is gonna come over and place the salmon. Go for it.
Excellent, thank you. So you're just going to take your salmon slices and place them evenly on your bread, like so. And what you'll see here is I've cut them into smaller pieces just so they fit nicely on the bread. Just got a few more slices to put on here. Excellent, it smells really good. This last one I'll put right here. Excellent, just like that. And we place our top layer on top like this. Wonderful. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to make nice thin slices by going back and forth like this. Let's just do one more. There we are. And you'll see our wonderful salmon sandwich. Okay, so last but not least, our cucumber sandwich.
Super amazing. I love it. It's a classic sandwich. So let's mix it together.
Okay, so we've got our half cup of cream cheese. Wonderful. And then we have our 1.5 tablespoons of mayo. There we go. We have our 1 teaspoon of chopped dill. Put that in like that. Okay, a little messy here, but that's okay. And we have our 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. There. So we're going to mix all of that together. And last but not least, we want to put a little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt to taste. Excellent. Look at that.
Okay, so we've already put our spread on one of our breads. Now we're gonna put it on the other side. It looks amazing. It smells amazing. You can smell the dill in there. It's so good. I love this spread. This recipe is so amazing, guys. With the cucumber, it's not just you put some butter or anything and cucumber. It's that you're getting a nice cream cheese dill spread on there. Make sure you don't waste any of it. So we're gonna get right on the edge there. Look at that. Looks amazing. And it's so easy to make, guys. These recipes, and you've got these nice afternoon tea sandwiches. Okay, so I think I've got it all in there, and Graham's gonna come in and he's gonna place the cucumbers.
All right, thank you. So really simple. We're just going to do a little bit of an overlap of your cucumbers here on one side. I'm just gonna make sure they're nice spread out right to the edge like this. Okay, and you can see how they're thinly sliced. We've prepared these, and I've taken the skin off as well. There we are. I think just one more layer, just like that. I think I have room for a little bit more here on the side. Excellent, just like this. Okay, we then take our other side and we place it over top. Like that. Wonderful. And we cut away. Again, nice thin slices and just back and forth like that. And I'm going to do one more for you. This. And there you are. Cucumber sandwich. And we're all done.
We've made our 3 afternoon tea sandwiches, and they look amazing.
Wonderful.
Thank you for sharing these recipes.
You're very welcome.
They look amazing. So why don't you comment down below, let us know which of the 3 are your favorite.
And if there is another afternoon tea sandwich idea that you have, let us know down below in the comments. We'd love to hear it.
I'd love to know. So why don't we try them out?
Okay, I'm going for the salmon.
Okay, I'm gonna go for the cucumber and the dill cream cheese. Mmm.
Perfect.
They're so good.
Perfect.
Okay, now leave that here. I'm gonna try out the egg.
I'm gonna try this egg. How's the egg?
Those are my favorite. I love it.
So good.
Tastes amazing. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell. You don't want to miss out. I've got a lot of amazing episodes on its way. So thanks for joining me today on my show.
My pleasure. My pleasure.
And we'll see you guys again in my kitchen. Bye.
Bye. Okay.
Salad.
Yep.
Sandwich.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
Isn't it?
No, it's just.
It's not breaking.
Careful. Okay, just careful.
No.